Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 4.2 and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and you will find the icon right here, battery saver, and all you need to do is tap on it, turn on battery saver, turn on, and that's about it. And you can see that it goes a little bit dark, and you can see that the icon of the battery has like a red outline, meaning that it is right now in the power saving mode. This will also have other effects on the device, like postponing your notifications, so it sends them more in a bulk than updates them while they arrive normally, and makes everything a little bit darker, so it doesn't need to do as much backlighting as it would normally have to. But that is how you would normally enable the power saving mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.